Alright, so here we are mid-March. This is part of a nor'eastern storm that is moving into the area. This is really just the beginning of it from what I understand. Expecting some high winds. I think they said 4 to 8 inches of snow. And it's really cold too. It's like lower 20s. So this is the coldest it's been in about a month. It's really pretty though. And yeah, the winds are picking up little by little. So we'll see what it looks like come nightfall. And it's supposed to pick up quite a bit. They're expecting the power to go out at some point as well. And they've advised everybody to stay off the roads. Schools are closed. Pretty much the whole town is shut down except for like a couple places, but otherwise, yeah, this is supposed to be the beginning of another winter storm as we make our way into spring. Pretty crazy. Alright, here we are at sunset a few hours later. Still windy. Winds have picked up actually a little bit more than they were earlier. Still snowing. We've probably gotten about an inch or two since I last fired up the camera here. I love this sort of blue haze. It's not exactly how it looks through my eyes right now, but through the phone it definitely looks more blue than it is, but I still like that effect. Makes it look so cold. It is very cold. I can't believe here we are mid-March and we got this big winter storm coming through, but I'm digging it. I'm really, really enjoying my experience here. By the way, the power is out. Here, let me turn the light. There we go. See? It's snowing. Alright, I'll chime you in a little bit later, probably once it's really dark, and once we get more snow. See you soon. Alright, here we are. A few hours later, still without power. Wind is still pretty gusty. We've probably gotten about another 1 to 2 inches of snow since the last little clip around sunset. Very pretty out though. So pristine. It's really interesting. The last few weeks, the weather we've been having seems to reflect what's been going on in California too. Even in Northern California, they've been getting some snow and some pretty wild weather. And when they have a storm, we have a storm. And when they have a break in the storm, we have a break in the storm, even though we're separated by 3,700 miles. I think that's interesting. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, by the way. I'll do another one of these clips, little updates in the morning. Hopefully by then the power will be back on, but if not, no biggie. Catch y'all later.